So the real estate analogy is how do you know if we're going to talk a lot about the we're talking about market cycle and stuff. How do you know if your market is strong or if your market is buying? Right? You generically know your market is strong and market it's buying because there are for sale signs. Right? Whenever you're going into a neighborhood, right? If you drive into that neighborhood and you see some for sale signs out, you generically can know, hey, this is nice. There's people that are willing to sell houses here. So if I want to buy, I can buy a house. Great. I like this. So this is one of the ways we decide if our order book is otherwise strong or weak. We can figure that out by looking at really how many signs there are and where they put them. So let me elaborate. You go into the neighborhood and you go, wow, there's signs here. I can buy. But let's say you walk into the neighborhood and out of every 10 houses, let's say you go in out of every 10 houses, 5 houses are up for sale, which would be pretty dense. What does that tell you if there are that many houses all for sale, all in the same generalized area at all the same generalized price? It means we've likely exhausted who? Buyers. It means and ATX. It means we've exhausted our buyers. So there are many times when we're not going to go up, even though our order book looks strong because we have lots of signs, right? Lots of orders to the top side. But if we have no buyers, we can't go up through those orders and we will roll over and capitulate and go back down, right? It's all about the process in finding buyers. They got to go down and they got to find people that are willing to sell as they go down. Once buyers have it, and they start to come back up, and that's what they're really looking for. They want buyers. It is the specialist or the market maker's job to entice buyers. And when I say the word enticement, I mean entice. Okay? So it is definitely their job.
Hello, Market Alchemists, and thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to watch the next episode, and before doing so, like and subscribe.